Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the charging comparison between the Realme X2 device versus the Mi Note 10 Lite. The reason why I selected this kind of charging comparison because both phones they do have the same kind of 30 watts charger but with different technology. So whereas the Realme has a super watch charger which is of 30 watts and Mi as the normal quick charge which is of 30 watts, but both phones they do have the different battery capacity, whereas the Realme X2 has the 4000 mAh of battery capacity and whereas the Mi Note 10 Lite has a 5260 mAh of battery capacity, which is quite huge for this kind of small screen form factor. So this is the main reason why I like the Mi Note 10 Lite battery so much. The battery is so huge and you do get the curved display here and quad LED flashlight setup. So there is plenty of other things which Mi Note 10 Lite I like. So that is the video for another episode. So right now I'll be doing the charging comparison side by side using the default chargers which came along with the box in both the smartphones. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also make sure to check the links in description for the various playlists for what are the smartphones I reviewed in my channel. So you can find the links for in the description below. So let's get started with this charging speed test, and I got the stopwatch ready in the middle. And this is a OnePlus 7 Pro I'm using as a stopwatch because I do receive so many comments about this phone, which phone I am holding in my hand. So that's why it's better to say right now. So let me start the connecting the cables and start the stopwatch at the same time, and both the phones are completely dead to 0%. So this is a test which I'll be doing when the phones are in switch off mode. And here I got the small chart, so which I'll be recording for every 30 minutes, 1 hour and full charge. I'll be writing the battery percentage, so you can easily check which phone has fast charging capabilities. So right now you can see, friends, I connected the cables for both the phones, and both the phones are there charging. So right now you can see it's 1% and 2% in the Realme X2 smartphone. So right now the stopwatch has been officially begun, and again I'll be back after exactly 30 minutes of charging these two smartphones. So let's see in the first 30 minutes which phone will actually charge. So as you can see, friends, it's been exactly 30 minutes of charging both the phones, Realme X2 and the Mi Note 10 Lite. So let me try to show you what is the battery percentage in both the smartphones. So 62% in the Realme X2 and 55% in the Mi Note 10 Lite. So let me try to zoom in here. As you can see, 55%. So let me write down the readings in both the smartphones. So let's see again after 1 hour which phone will be in the highest point. So right now till in the first 30 minutes the Realme X2 is the top by 62%, and whereas Mi Note 10 Lite is 55%. So let's see after 1 hour which phone will be at what percentage. So right now you can see exactly after 1 hour of charging the Realme X2 and the Mi Note 10 Lite, let's see how much is the battery percentage in both the phones. So 93% in the Realme X2 and 95% in the Mi Note 10 Lite. You can see the difference clearly here. So 94 and 95. So just now it increased, so I'll take the 94%. So 94 and 95%. So there's a very good friends in the Mi Note 10 Lite, even though it has got 30 watts and huge battery, but still it managed to cross the Realme X2 device. So this is what I'm talking about, the Mi Note 10 Lite, even though it has got 30 watts and which is very good, and sometimes it even better than the walk charge from the Realme charger. So this is what I felt using this 30 watts charger. So let's see the final full charge which phone will actually reach first, because this is where I'm very curious to test. So last 5% will take plenty of time in both smartphones. So let's see which phone will actually take more time to reach the 100% of battery. So in case if you want to know more details about the Mi Note 10 Lite, so make sure to check the links in description for the playlist of Mi Note 10 Lite, so you can get to know more details about the battery life and battery draining, everything in the description below. So right now you can see it's been 1 hour and exactly 8 minutes, and let me show you the battery percentage in both the smartphones. So 97% in the Realme X2 and 99% in the Mi Note 10 Lite. This phone is so good in terms of the fast charging, even though it has got the 5260 mAh of battery, but still it managed to charge, I think, before the Realme X2 device. So let's see how much more time will the Mi Note 10 Lite actually takes to reach the 100%. So in my previous test, it got charged within 70 minutes of time. So close to 69 minutes exactly the phone got charged by this time in my previous test results. And this is a test again I am doing after using for a couple of months. So the results might vary here and there 1 or 2 minutes. So let's see friends how much more time this Mi Note 10 Lite actually takes to charge. So finally friends, the Mi Note 10 Lite got phone charged to 100%. As you can see, it took just 70 minutes of time just to charge the Mi Note 10 Lite. So whereas the Realme X2 still it's 99% as you can see clearly. So right now let me write down the total time taken to charge the Mi Note 10 Lite. So 70 minutes. So this is the fastest charging right now between both of the smartphones. So irrespective of the difference in the battery capacities, so even though though both have the same kind of battery charges, but still the battery capacity is different. But still the Mi Note 10 Lite is surprisingly managed to charge within this kind of range. I did not expect this kind of tough competition with the Realme X2. So I thought the Realme X2 will charge a bit more faster because of having less battery capacity, but that's not the case. The Mi Note 10 Lite, so few of the smartphones after reaching to the 70%, the charging speed will decrease. So I think in the Mi Note 10 Lite, the charging speed is constantly maintaining at high level, so that is only possible to achieve this kind of fast charging rate, even though the battery has a big capacity. So let's see how long the Realme X2 gonna take to completely charge this 100%. So right now the time it's still running over there, you can see here clearly. So let's see friends how long this is gonna take to charge the Realme X2 device. So finally friends, it took about 79 minutes to completely charge the Realme X2 device. So this is how much the time difference between both of these smartphones, the Realme X2 and the Mi Note 10 Lite. So in this test, the clear winner is the Mi Note 10 Lite, irrespective of the battery big capacity as well. So thank you for watching this video till end, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, iQOO. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.